What up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to JesusCookz. In today's video, I got this awesome stuffed bell pepper recipe for you guys, so let's get right into it and see what ingredients we need. Alright, so we're gonna need this bell peppers, of course, fresh out the bag. We're gonna need we're gonna need some garlic. We're gonna need a jalapeno. Now you can add more stuff if you want. This is just what I'm gonna use and what I got. Some onion. We're gonna make some rice, which I'm gonna show you guys how to make too. Now you can use whatever ground beef. I only got ground beef in the form of hamburger shapes. So I'm letting that thaw out. I need some tomato sauce for the rice, and then your various seasonings, which you can use whichever ones you want. So let's actually cut up some ingredients real quick. Or actually, let's make the rice first. Alright, so I got the oven preheating up to 350. We're gonna turn on this pan right here to like a little over medium. Gonna throw in enough oil just to cover the surface. This is where we're gonna make the rice. Alright, so we're gonna let that heat up. And I'm using this as a measuring cup. I'm sure it's just like a cup's worth. So we're gonna fill that up. Dump it in here. Then we're just gonna move it around and make sure you keep your eyes on this because it can burn real quickly. And we're just gonna let it cook until it starts to get like a golden brown. So I'm gonna let this go and then show you guys how it should look. All right, now that our rice has a slight tan to it, we're actually gonna turn it down a little bit on the stove. And we're gonna pour some water. Now you wanna make sure the oil's not freaking boiling or super hot, because then this is gonna splatter everywhere, so that's why you gotta turn it down. Using that filtered water, boy. Alright. So I kinda just fill it till it's like halfway. And then just let that chill for a bit till it starts boiling. We're gonna add seasonings. We're gonna turn it back up to medium. We actually gotta get a lid for this. Alright. I don't like to keep it all the way on because then it just bubbles and makes a huge mess. Alright, now that the rice is cooking, we got this pan over here. We're actually gonna throw this ground beef in here. And I don't want it to be in this shape, so I'm gonna break it up. That's why I let it thaw out. Gonna break this up. Alright, well that's kind of cooking up a little bit. Let's go over here and see, cut up these ingredients. Alright, now with this we're just gonna cut off the tops. And then cut all the stuff in the center. We don't need this. So we're just gonna pop that off, take it off. We don't need it. I don't need it. Alright, so here we got like a little, kind of like a little bowl. Alright, so we got all our cut up ingredients ready to go. Alright, so we're gonna see what's up with this rice. Looking pretty good. We're gonna move it around a little bit. I'm gonna take this tomato sauce, just pour some in there. Mix it around. We want to get a nice overall red color. Gonna add some more seasonings to this. We're gonna throw in a little bit of paprika, give it more of a red color and also a little bit of spice. That's about good. Mix it around a little bit more. Make more of a mess. Alright. Throw a little bit of parsley. And some chicken broth. And you want, the key to this is you want to mix it up very well. And then you want to try the broth before you actually close it back up. Oh man, that tastes fire. Alright. So this rice is going to be absolutely bomb. Close this again out all the way because I'm going to make even more splatter. Now let's focus over here on this ground beef. We're going to throw in the ingredients. Alright, so we got that ground beef going. Now we're going to throw in our ingredients that we just cut up. Very nice. Now we're going to mix it all up. Break down this ground beef even more because it's starting to stick together. Alright, now it's time for the seasoning part. I'm going to throw a little bit of parsley. A little bit of sea salt. A little bit of paprika again. Some black pepper. And that should be good for seasonings. Now we're just gonna let this cook for a little bit. And we're gonna get ready to put these ingredients into the peppers. So let's wait for this. Give it like 5 minutes on medium heat. It should be good to go. Alright, so checking in on this rice. It's looking pretty good. It's at like the point where I can just cover it completely and turn it down. Or even like turn it off, just let it chill in the heat while it starts to absorb the water. Alright, so over here, we got this going. Look at that. Look at these colors, man. You know it's about to be fired. Then we're missing a very important ingredient I'm gonna miss. Put into the equation. Oh, cheese. I got this Fiesta Blend Great Value cheese from Walmart. Now you want to put some cheese on the top. You know, make it look all nice and presentable. And I say the more cheese the better. Alright, so this is how they look. Now, I'm gonna put them bad boys in the oven for like 35 minutes. Throw this in the center rack. Alright, now we just wait for 35 minutes and the rice is pretty much done. Alright, so this is how they look once they're done. I'm actually going to serve up this plate over here. Now we're going to head over to the kitchen table and eat right away. Dang, look at this plate, son. No, I'm obviously not going to get all 3 of them right now, but check it out. Alright, let's go eat because this looks so freaking good. Alright, now it's time to try this dish. Let's see. Try this rice. Well, the rice is good, but I really want to try this. Oh man, first bite going in, everything's already falling out. Alright, let's see. A little bit of rice action in this bite. Oh my goodness. The light just started shining at the right moment because this meal was blasting so delicious. Anyways, hope you guys like this video. Hopefully you try this recipe because it's freaking fire. Oh, you guys take it easy, keep it chill, keep creating, keep eating. Till next time, peace and love. I'm about to devour this. And I'm out.